Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this fantastic BMW 1 Series 1.5 118i Sport with the DCT gearbox. It's currently done 27,001 miles and it's finished in the colour mineral grey. It does come with 2 previous BMW services. All around it's a very lovely looking hatchback. It does sit nicely on 17-inch alloy wheels. You do have LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. In the boot you'll find 380 litres of space. This can be increased to 1,200 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your lovely cloth interior. It features ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle and be sure it's safely secured in for peace of mind. Up front you'll find your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position and be sure you're comfortable behind the wheel. To the left of your steering wheel you've got your cruise control and speed limiter. To the right you have controls for adjusting the infotainment system. You've got a display here in the instrument cluster where you can access different information such as your average fuel consumption and average speed. You also have a digital speedometer as well. Centered in the dashboard you have your infotainment system. Now the system's controlled using the dial and buttons here in the center console. It's also touchscreen so you can use it either way. The system does have access to DAB and FM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth connectivity. On your communication page, you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while you're behind the wheel. You also have access to Apple CarPlay, which allows you to pair your iPhone up to the system, and you can use compatible applications from your phone directly here on the screen. You can even make hands-free phone calls and texts on the system. You do have navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You've got the connected drive feature with the connected drive store, BMW assistance and messages. In My Vehicle, you've got access to vehicle and system settings. You do also have access to the owner's handbook. You've got the vehicle status menu where you can find your tyre pressure monitor, engine oil level and any vehicle service requirements, as well as the recorded service history. You can see the 2 previous ones there. Keeping you safe while you're on the go, you do have the front collision warning system as well as the lane departure warning system, so you can feel much more secure when you're behind the wheel. You have front and rear parking sensors to make parking much easier. Below the display you'll find your dual zone automatic climate control. It comes with heated front seats to keep you nice and warm on those colder days. In the center console you have USB connectivity along with a 12-volt socket and 2 cup holders. There's also your automatic gear selector. Our AC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.